This is Nature's Bounty Turmeric 1000 milligram plus black pepper. So one, you need this. If you have the joint pain, you should try this one. So let's open the bottle to see what's inside. Oh, the seal is really tight. I can smell that the turmeric is very strong. The pill is actually pretty big. And this is a 90 capsule per bottle. It said take 1 capsule daily for use to release the joint pain. So if you suffer from the joint pain, I think it's better to try this one. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.